sinking day. Hey, hey, it's sinking day. Hey, it's sinking day. All over the world it's sinking day. Mexico, it's sinking day. In Switzerland.
Girl Scouts the world over celebrate Thinking Day on February 2022 of every year to signify the great efforts of vital contribution made by the Scouting movement towards promoting world physical
A day which commemorates the joint birthdays of the founder of the Scouting movement, Lord and Lady Baden-Powell. We especially designate as a national day to symbolize on Thinking Day, the census rate, age differences vanish, nationalities, cultures, and creeds blend. People stand united as kind thoughts, love and understandings return to the world. It is also a special time for our reaffirmation of what the promise is made and
A tree of peace with tiny branches that will grow to bear the fruits of hopes and unite the earth we know.
That will grow to bear the fruits of hope and unite the earth we know. Let us build a ship of trust, not from oak or tempered steel, but with decks of honest service on a firm and steadfast vessel.
Lady Baden-Powell, in one of our Thinking Day messages, says, and we quote, "Our kind thoughts take wings and fly off from countries we live today."
Thinking Day gives us a major opportunity to help each other through our voluntary efforts. It is for the reason that the Thinking Day Fund was conceived. Every centavo that you share will go a long way to support girl guiding, girl scouting programs.
Then I will reveal my wish after.
All acquaintance be forgot, and ever grow to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot, and days of all unside. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness, yeah, for old lang syne.
Okay, my... Sorry po. Ham? Okay. My wish is that since the council now has already the second floor for our trainees, and it's been a long time na wala na tayo training, I hope na this year or